Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a bit of an unboxing day. Now I was going to open up all the box in front of you guys, but the simple fact is I don't have enough space on here. So this is purely a first impressions. I've sold one of my watches. I've sold my Seiko Saab. I know many of you Seiko fans out there will be gutted to hear that, but I fancied something different. So I've gone with Nomos, a German brand, a brand I don't really know that much of, to be fair. I know they're still quite a new brand, based out in Glasshutter. So it's going to be quite interesting, really, to see what this watch is like. So I think, oh, that's so nice. I tell you what, I brought this watch off eBay, and I think it was a lady who I brought it off has. She's actually wrapped it. That is just absolutely so sweet of her. I think that is a really, really nice touch. So let's have a look at this. So I say it's a brand, I've always looked at their watches and I've never actually gone out and brought one. But I've always thought they do look quite interesting. Let's have a see. I think it's so nice that she's actually wrapped this. It's lovely. So there's a box. Sorry, I've been servicing some watches, so I've got a bit of a mess everywhere. So let's move this back a little bit. So first things first, nice wooden box. Oh wow, okay, just press that button, and there we go. I think that's going to be the warranty card in there, and then we get this little cover here, and here we go. Let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. Now, I say this is just like a first impressions video. It's not going to be a full review because the simple fact is I don't know the watch that well. Let's give that a bit of a wind. Silky smooth to wind, I must say. That, I think, is absolutely lovely. Okay, but there's more, I believe. Let's just open this. Let's see. I think there should be some goodies in here. The watch size I should point out, it's called the, is it the Campus Club 38? But it's actually a little bit bigger than that. It's 38.5. These are just some of the goodies which came with it. We've got a little bookmark here, which I think is a really nice touch. But more importantly, well, I'll show you this in a second, a pencil and an eraser. How random is that? I love it. But this is also quite interesting. I'm not quite sure how they ended up with this, but look at that. We have a second dial. Now that is very, very nice. Now, if you know my channel, you know I'm a studying watchmaker, so at some point I will be placing it over onto this other dial. But we'll cover that up for now. So it's kind of good because of my studies. I can quite happily swap that dial over. That's no big problem. Now, what have we got here? We've got some all about the brand, I believe. That is really, really nice. And the big booklet here. The album complete already fame. Wow. That is just so nice. So let's have a quick look on my wrist and see how it looks. I just think that looks superb. I think I did say they'd put it on a new strap, but the only problem is they brought, I think it's slightly wrong. I think they brought a 19mm strap and it should be a 20. But that's no great hardship at all. Let me just zoom out. I'm wearing a Panerai at the moment. Let's just see it on my wrist. I must admit, I think the watch is absolutely lovely. And condition-wise, looks really good, actually. Look how slim it is. Well, look how slim it is when compared to a Panerai. Very, very slim. Let's just put this on. My wrist size is 7.25. Yeah, but the strap is absolutely brand new. So let's have a look. there it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. I think that's such a absolutely gorgeous looking watch, and look how thin it is. Now, it's that thin because it is actually a manual wind watch, but I just think, wow. Yeah, absolutely stunning. I don't know if it will stay on this strap. You know what I'm like, if you follow my channel, I've got a massive selection of straps, so I dare say this might end up on another strap at some point, but I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks really, really nice. Just a lovely looking watch. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this. Is it a watch you'd go for? I just think it looks superb. But anyway, okay then guys, I'll leave you to it. I'll get a full review out in the next few weeks. I'm kind of snowed under at the moment. I've got loads and loads of reviews I'm trying to get sorted. But I'll get the review out as soon as I can with this one. Just stunning. Okay then guys, all the best. You guys take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.